Good morning, good morning, good morning. Mga kapita. Ay nako, gaginual. Di na di. Iya to yaho. Magpigit na kumbay niya na. Kagang ini, may chocolate agwa ya mocha. So dire ko sa decaf. 8 lang ta. Hey. Salam. Morning. Salam. Kaya nag-change ko sa gamay nga cup. Mayara pag yung gamay, ari lang. Milk. Pero kung may kantuan ko, creamer, ano butang ko. Kung aga atake ang akon sulok-sulok sa kun milk, ang ibutang ko. Mahal ta guys. Breakfast ta. Kapita. Chiking. Good morning, good morning. Tsura sa buko. Wala ko ginalubid-lubid guys. Kay daw wala na di nutrition sa dalong kung sige ko ang bayda. Basta amo na ang tsura. Good morning. Oh, nice gym. Small. Yeah, it's okay.
That's all you need. Small,
Yeah.
Maybe the children's playroom. Children's playroom or the parents' good gym.
Huh? Ah, nice, oh. While the parents are having performing gym, the kids can play there. Oh, good. The pool there. Dito. It
Pool barbecue.
seems
just a little bit of it, and then this is your coat closet.
Okay.
Now we don't provide the washer and dryer; we only provide the hookups. But this is where your hookups will be.
Okay.
Off from the kitchen. Even in the 1-bedroom unit is in the same spot. The 1-bedroom you'll still have the kitchen island, and you'll still have your cabinetry.
But you provide the microwave.
Now the unit that I do have, it does need to be completed, but
that's you.
Oh, look at this. That's really nice.
Oh, nice.
and then this is the space.
Wow. Very nice.
Who?
Not a walk-in closet, but it is really nice size.
Yeah. More than sufficient. Ceiling fan. Very good.
Ceiling fan in each room is going to be the hardwood floors throughout the unit.
Okay.
And then your first bathroom. Now the lights are off right now in this unit. We're working on the building, but this is just your hot water heater.
Okay.
And then right here is going to be your shared bathroom. So you have a soak tub in this unit.
Is it like, can I put it on?
It doesn't work.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yep, no,
Oh,
you're
okay.
fine. You're fine. We're working on
Okay.
I don't know, some type of outage. But this is your soak tub. This tub, you'll only have the shower. But you have the his and hers vanity. And you have plenty of cabinetry space. You have some above the toilet as well.
Nice. Lots of room.
Yes.
You know what's funny is we have shower tub. We never use a tub.
Oh my. You always use the shower.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
this is perfect for you.
Yes.
This would be perfect. And then I love the fact that the closet is outside of the bathroom.
Not to say you wouldn't, but
Yeah.
oh, nice walk in.
Yes, walk-in